Today, we're going to walk you through setting up your Apple TV. It's quick and easy, and we'll guide you through every step. First, connect the Apple TV to your TV using an HDMI cable. Once you see the Apple TV interface, you'll be asked to select your language and region. Use the Siri remote to select your preferred language and region. You can then choose to set up your Apple TV with your iPhone or continue to set it up manually. If you choose to set up with an iPhone, make sure your phone is connected to your home Wi-Fi and that your Bluetooth is on. On your screen, you should see a button that says Set Up. Press the button and wait a few minutes for your Apple TV to finish setting up. If you choose to set up your Apple TV manually, choose whether you want to enable Siri on your device or not. Next, connect your Apple TV to your Wi-Fi network. Select your network from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password. To get the most out of your Apple TV, you'll want to sign in with your Apple account. If you don't have an Apple account, you can log on to Apple's website to create one. Now you can start exploring Apple TV Plus, watch your favorite shows, stream movies, and enjoy everything Apple TV has to offer. Just use the Siri remote to navigate, select apps, or search for content.